Hello students, we have already understood three rules of direct and indirect speech. Let us revise them. Rule 1. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the reported speech does not change at all. Rule number 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense and reported speech is in present tense, the present tense of the reported speech change into their corresponding past tense. Present tense of the reported speech does not change if it expresses a universal truth and a habitual fact. Rule number 3. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, the present tense of the reported speech change as under. Simple past changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous, whereas past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses never change. Let us move further. Let's see some examples. Present tense, that is verb of base form or verb of base form with s or es. I work hard. Present tense will be changed into past simple tense, that is verb of ed form. He said that he worked hard. Present continuous change, which is in the form of am, is or are plus verb of ing, will be changed into past continuous tense. I am working hard. Am, is, are will be converted into was or were, and verb of ing form will remain the same. He said that he was working hard. Past simple will be converted into past perfect. Verb of ed form or verb second form will be changed into had plus verb of ed and verb of third form. I worked hard. He said that he had worked hard. Past continuous, that is was or were plus verb of ing form, will be changed into past perfect continuous, that is had been plus verb of ing form will remain the same. I was working hard. He said that he had been working hard. Present perfect, has or have plus verb of ed form or verb 3, I have worked hard, will be changed into past perfect, that is had plus verb of ed form or verb third form. I have worked hard. He said that he had worked hard. Have will be converted into had and had will remain the same. Past perfect continuous, that is have or has plus been plus verb of ing form, I have been working hard, will be converted into past perfect continuous. Have and has will be converted into had. Been will remain same plus verb of ing will remain same, that is I have been working hard. He said that he had been working hard. Future tense, will plus verb of base form, I will work hard. Will be changed into would and verb of base form will remain the same. I will work hard. He said that he would work hard. There are some more words like can will be converted into could, must will be converted into had, may will be converted into might, shall will be converted into should, and will be converted into would. Here are some words. If you find them in direct speech, you need to convert it into reported speech. I will be he or she, we, they, you, he, she, they, my, his, her. If there is a male, you will write his. If there is a female, you will write her. Are, their, your, his, her or their, me, him or her, us, them, mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, yours, his, hers, theirs. There are some more rules which we will cover in the next lecture.